Is time travel actually possible? What if you could go back and stop yourself from sending that cringy text in 2012? Or leap into the future to see if we finally have flying cars and pizza that doesn't burn the roof of your mouth? Time travel isn't just the plot of movies like Back to the Future or Interstellar. It's something real scientists have been trying to wrap their heads around for over a century. And the wild part, some parts of it are already possible. Thanks to Einstein, aka the universe's original plot twister, we learned that time isn't a constant ticking metronome. Instead, it's part of space-time, a four-dimensional fabric that can bend, stretch, and even slow down depending on gravity or speed. If you zip through space close to the speed of light, time slows down for you. That's called time dilation. Technically, astronauts have already experienced a teeny-tiny version of this. According to special relativity, the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time, relative to someone standing still. This means time actually passes more slowly for someone traveling at high speed. Real example. In 1971, NASA flew atomic clocks around the Earth on jet planes and compared them to clocks left on the ground. After the flight, the moving clocks were slightly behind the stationary ones, exactly as Einstein predicted. Now scale that up to astronauts on the International Space Station, ISS. The ISS orbits Earth at about 7,500 miles per hour, 28,000 km/h. Because of this velocity, astronauts aboard are technically traveling slightly slower through time than people on Earth. Over a 6-month mission, an astronaut may age about 0.05 seconds less than someone on Earth. That's right, space makes you younger, but not by much. Time isn't fixed, it's flexible, it's weird, and it's real. But let's say you do go back in time. What happens if you step on a bug? And that bug turns out to be your great-great-great-grandfather. Boom, grandfather paradox. You just deleted yourself from existence, but then how did you go back in the first place? Yeah, time gets messy. And then there's the butterfly effect, where a tiny change in the past could create a massive ripple in the future, like sneezing in 1865 and somehow causing disco. So what are some possible time travel ideas that scientists are actually looking at? Wormholes. These are theoretical tunnels through space-time. They could connect two distant points in time, or just be the universe's way of saying, "Nice try." Quantum entanglement. Super weird particle stuff that made Einstein himself call it spooky. Some theories say it might allow information to jump across time. Emphasis on might. Exotic matter. Like regular matter, but more mysterious, and with a name that sounds like a new energy drink. Okay, so are we building time machines tomorrow? Probably not. We'd need technology and materials we don't even know exist yet. Also, there's the minor detail of not ripping the universe apart. But here's the thing. Trying to understand time travel has already pushed science forward. It forces us to ask big, juicy questions like, is the future already written? Do we really have free will? Should I invest in time travel-safe cryptocurrency? Time travel speaks to something deep in all of us, the desire to undo regrets, to relive our best moments, to glimpse what lies ahead. Even if we never crack it, the dream of time travel reminds us to make the most of the now, because that's the only time machine we truly have. So, would you rather go backward in time or into the future? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Or don't. I don't really care. Blippity bloop blop. Thanks for watching.